Hello everyone! So this is my CVS haul for this week, May 30 to June 5 of 2021 CVS deal. So I only picked some items that I had CRT. And in my second transaction, I spent a lot of extra bucks on that. But I really want to bought those big persil because I like the smell of the persil. So in the first transaction, I used my card and I'm so happy that I'm starting to get a lot of CRT in my card because for the past few months, I only get like more on CVS brand CRT. So in my first transaction, I used $28 extra bucks. So the first item that I bought is the Boost. So the Boost is buy 4 and you will get $10 extra bucks reward. So the other Boost is priced for $7.99. And then the other Boost, the chocolate one, it is priced for $8.99. And they're both part of the promotion that when you buy 4, you will get $10 extra bucks reward. So I picked 2 vanilla Boost drink because I love the vanilla and my husband loved the chocolate flavor. So the Boost vanilla is $7.99 and 2 are $15.98. And then the Boost chocolate is $8.99 and the 2 are $17.98. And their expiration is next year. It's August 12 of 2022. So I always look the expiration date of the Boost. And this is my note for the Boost. So the subtotal of 4 Boost are $33.96. I used the 4 of 20 Any Protein CRT. I used $2 of Boost Drinks CRT. And then I used 2 of $5 Boost Printable coupon that I print out in swagbox.com. But there is still a manufacturing coupon for Boost. And then the $5 Boost Digital Coupon Glitch. So I paid $12.96. And then I got $10 extra bucks reward for buying 4 Boost, making it $2.96 or 74 cents each. So, what a lovely deal when it comes to Boost drink. And then next is the CoverGirl Cosmetics. So, it's buy 2 and you will get $6 extra bucks reward. And the brow pencil is $6.49. So, I bought 2 brow pencil. And this is my note for the CoverGirl. The 2 are $12.98. I used the $4 CoverGirl instant coupon that I got last week. And then I used 2 of $3 CoverGirl manufacturing coupon from May 23 Smart Sort Insert. So total are $6. So I paid $2.98. Then I got $6 extra bucks reward, making it free plus $3.02 money maker for CoverGirl. And it will track also toward beauty. And then the Schick Razor is on sale for $8.99. And when you buy 1, you will get $4 extra bucks reward. And the Skintimate Razor is a part also of the promotion. And then the Hydro for Men. But I choose the Hydro Silk 3 because I had a CRT. I had 2 CRT that attached to the Schick Hydro Silk 3. And this is my note for the Schick. So it's $8.99. I used the $4 off Hydro Silk Razor manufacturing coupon. And there is digital coupon also for the Hydro Silk. And then I used the $2 off Schick or Skintimate CRT. And then I used also the $4 off Schick Hydro Razor CRT, making it free plus $4 money maker because I got $4 extra bucks for buying one Schick Hydro. So that is an awesome deal. And then the Garnier is buy 2 and you will get $2 extra bucks reward. So the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner is priced for $4.49 in the store. So I pick one shampoo and one conditioner. And this is my note for the Garnier. So it's $4.49 and the two are $8.98. I used a $3 off 2 Garnier manufacturing coupon. I just forgot what date it is, but it's already expired, but the store accept expired coupon, a day of expiration. And then the $3 off Garnier digital coupon glitch. So I paid $2.98. Then I got $2 extra bucks reward, making it 98 cents for 2 or 49 cents each. So next is the spend 30 and get $10 extra bucks reward. And there is spend 45 and get $15 extra bucks reward also. But I did the spend 30 and I just picked the Pantene shampoo. So this is the big bottle. There is 2 promotion for Pantene. There is 3 for $12 and the other one is 3 for $15. So I picked the big bottle and it's for 3 for $15. So I bought 3 shampoo and 3 conditioner. And this is my note in my spend 30. So it's 3 for $15 times 2 deal. So the total of the 6 Pantene are $30. And then I used the 4 of 18 hair care CRT. I used the $3 off 3 hair care CRT that I got this week. And then I used 2 $4 Pantene manufacturing coupon from May 30 PNG insert. So total are 8. And I paid $15. And then I got $10 extra bucks reward. Then I'll be getting additional $3 extra bucks for heating the beauty, making it $2 for 6 Pantene or 33 cents each. So this is my receipt in my first transaction. So everything went smoothly. And then here are all the coupons. So they are all applied. And then the glitch for the Boost and then the Garnier. And then I used total of $28 extra bucks reward. So my total including the tax is $6.14. And then I used my CVS gift card that I redeemed in Fetch. So it deducts $6.14 in my Fetch gift card. So it's 0 out of pocket, and then I save 95%, $107.43. And then I got $10 extra bucks for the Boost, $10 for the spend 30, $4 for the Schick, $2 for Garnier, and then $6 for buying the CoverGirl. Then I'll be getting additional $3 extra bucks reward for heating the beauty. So total, I got $35 extra bucks in the first transaction. And then I used $28 extra bucks plus $6.12 that deduct in my CVS Fetch gift card. So making it free plus 88 cents money maker in my first transaction. That is an awesome deal. And then in my second transaction, I used a lot of extra bucks because I have almost $80 extra bucks and I want to buy some Persil and also sunscreen. And then I used also my $10 car pass in my second transaction. So the first item that I bought is the Coppertone Sunscreen. So the Coppertone is spend 20 and you will get $10 extra bucks reward. So the Coppertone Kids is priced for $11.49 and it's SPF 50. And the expiration is January 2024. And then the Coppertone SPF 50 also for adult is priced for $11.49, and the expiration is October of 2023. And this is my note in my Coppertone deal. So the two are $22.98. I used the 3 of 12 Coppertone CRT. And then I used the $5 of 2 Coppertone manufacturing coupon from May 16 Smart Sort Insert. So I paid $14.98, and then I got $10 extra box reward, making it $5.98 for 2, or $2.99 each. And then the Ogx Shampoo and Conditioner is buy one, get one 50% off. And when you buy 2, you will get $4 extra box reward. So I picked the Brazilian Keratin Therapy shampoo, and then the other one is conditioner. And then the Garnier is buy 2 and you will get $2 extra box reward. So I combined the deal because of my CRT. So this is my note in my Ogx Shampoo and Conditioner and Garnier. So the Ogx is buy one, get one 50% off. So the regular price is $8.49, and the 50% off is $4.25. So the two are $12.74. And then the Garnier Shampoo and Conditioner is $4.49, and the two are $8.98. My soft total are $21.72. I used the 4 of 18 hair care 30. I used the $2 of 2 Ogx printable coupon that I print out in swag box, but it's no longer available, and there is $2 digital coupon also for Ogx Shampoo and Conditioner. And then I used the $3 of 2 Garnier manufacturing coupon, and the $3 off Garnier digital coupon glitch. I paid $9.72, and then I got $4 extra box in buying 2 Ogx shampoo and conditioner. I got 2 extra box for buying Garnier shampoo and conditioner, making it $3.72 for 4, or 93 cents each. And this is the very first time that I bought also this Ogx shampoo and conditioner. And then I bought again the Schick Hydro. So in the second transaction, I used my husband's card. So it's $8.99, and when you buy one, you will get $4 extra box reward. And this is my note for that. It's $8.99. I used the $4 off Hydro Schick Razor manufacturing coupon. So I paid $4.99, and then I got $4 extra box reward, making it 99 cents. And then in my household deal, it's spend $20 and get $5 extra box reward in Persil, all detergent, and Snuggle. So I bought the big Persil. This is 100 ounce. And it's priced for $11.99. And then the all liquid is priced for $2.99. Then the Snuggle Super Care is priced also for $2.99. And this is my note in the laundry items. So my subtotal for 4 items are $20.96. I used 1 of 2 Snuggle CRT. And then I use $1 Snuggle printable coupon that I print out in the website. And then I use 1 all printable coupon also. So I paid $17.98, and then I got $5 extra box reward, making it $12.96 for 4 or $3.24 each. So this is my receipt in my second transaction. So everything went smoothly. And here I noticed that the Ogx digital coupon glitch also. And this is the glitch for the Garnier. So all the coupons applied and also the CRT. And then I used total of $35 extra box reward, and I used also my $10 curb price. That's why I bought the detergent deal. So it's 0 out of pocket, and then I save 100%. Total save is $94.29. Then I got my $10 for the Coppertone, $5 for the laundry deal, $2 for the Garnier, and then I got $4 for the Ogx, and then I got $4 for the Schick Hydro. So total I got $25 extra box reward. And then I got some freebies. So the Duracell is priced for $9.99, and when you buy one, you will get $1 extra box reward. And this is AA and 6 count. So this is my receipt for that. And then I used 2 CRT, $5 off Duracell Optimum battery, it's $5, and then I had another one, $5 off. So it's 0 out of pocket, it's 100% savings. I saved $11.49. And then I got my $1 extra box reward. And then another freebie is this. So I just decided to pick this cute lip sculpture. And this is 5503. And then it's priced for $4.59. Then I use my free nail art cosmetics CRT. So it's free lip sculpture. I got 2 of this in my other card. I use it also, but I give it to the cashier. So she's very thankful for the lip sculpture that I gave to her. So thank you so much guys for watching, and happy Memorial Day! Be safe everyone!